Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Hope you're excited to see me. I know it's been long I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. I don't know why, but honestly I've been busy with a lot of things, and that I'm going to share with you today. So guys, I hope you're excited to see me, and you're not disappointed. Good. Nevertheless guys, if you did miss me, I would like you to go down to the comment section and tell me that you really missed my videos, and I definitely want to see some of that on at the comment section. So that having said that, let's get to the proper intro. Yeah. So hope you guys are excited to see me. It's your girl Rebecca. I'm back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now honestly, I really need this drive to like push me to make more videos. I think that's like the major reason why I've not been uploading videos like that, because I'm not really getting the subscribers I want, and that's like a downside to this whole thing entirely. And I definitely want you guys to support me. Like I keep saying it, and I'm not saying it like physically like that. I definitely need you guys to support me. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, subscribe, and also the notification bell. I talk on faith, Christian fashion, and lifestyle, guys. So I would like that you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment. And that's like the only way I know that you're watching my videos, huh? Good. So guys, that's like the first part of this. So today's going to be like an update about what I've been doing so far, and just basically life updates like that. And like you can see, yeah, like I've been up to this like so far. Honestly, I definitely want to share this experience with you guys. So I see people make wigs, and I feel like honestly there's nothing you cannot do if you just focus. Like with God on your side, just focus, be determined, you can definitely achieve that common goal as well. So honestly, I see people make wigs a lot, and they're very expensive to get this wig. And if you can actually get the hair and all those, like the mannequin, the dummy head rather, the hair and thread and stuff like that, you can actually make one yourself. So I think I've been picking up new skills, and one of it is this. So I practically, let's use that word, made this wig. Do you like it? Yeah. So I think this is really like taking the whole of my time. It's taking my time like that, and honestly I like that I'm picking up new skills. I definitely love learning new things. Nevertheless, it's just time consuming. It's time consuming. Now for those that probably buy the ads and wear, honestly it is actually good, but if you can as well make one yourself, believe me, it's time consuming. But if you don't have the time, just buy one and wear. So this is what I've been taking the whole of my time. Like I spend a whole lot of time on these things, night, day, and like that. It's just time consuming, especially for a beginner like this. Like the first time I'll be doing something like this. This is actually the second one. I actually made one that was a wig one, and just like a braided wig like that. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I think it suits so nice. I saw this on YouTube. Now how did I go about this wig making and stuff like that? I think asking people to do it for me, it's expensive. Like for someone that values money and work, I don't know, but it's definitely expensive to make one. And I think the money, like the total money you spend making one for yourself, it's surely cheaper than asking someone to make, provided asking a professional, a pro to make it for you. So I think that was like the first thing that changed my mind, and I was like, honestly I can actually braid my hair and fix some things, so let me just do this myself. So I think that was like the first thing that happened where I decided to make my own wig myself. So I think that was like the first thing. Well, definitely too expensive to buy all these things, and I feel like if I think I can do it, and I think I have a little time to spare to do these things. So that, apart from the stress, like standing, sitting and doing all these things, it's very stressful to do it. So if you don't have the time and the time and the energy to do this, please don't even start it at all. But if you think you have the time and you can focus, you can be determined to do this, go ahead and do it as well. I think that's for that. I think, but if you can afford it, you're on your own. I can also afford it, but I feel like I'm just spending too much on just air that I can actually achieve, like do. Yeah, good. Okay, that's for that. So And then later I started picking up, like this is just like an update of what I've been doing so far. So I started learning videos, and because where I learn my videos, like I pick videos from YouTube, yes guys. So I started learning how to make wigs, how to make braided wigs, how to make this. Then I saw this Bassy Messi. She makes pretty amazing wig. I got this from her, like this very style, like it's so nice, so nice, like the way she explains it like so well. So I think I got this from her. So I started picking up from other person, and then there's Nicole Patrick. I watched her videos as well. She makes really nice videos, and there are others I can definitely not start mentioning names like that, but these very two I learned from them. And there are some other people as well that I pick one or two things from. So if you also want to learn stuff like this, you can as well go on YouTube, search for it, and watch videos like that, and you'll definitely be happy, and you'll definitely be happy at the outcome. I think I like this so well. If you like it as well, now this is the number 2 thing I'm asking you to do on this channel. If you like this hair, comment at the comment section. Just write something at the comment section, let me know you like the hair. Good. So what else have I been doing so far? Yeah, then I've been working on what have I been working on? Like, yes, I've been getting new stuff. I know you guys have been expecting me to do videos like what I've gotten so far, new art, new fashion trends and stuff like that. I've actually been getting a lot of things, and probably one of these days I will probably show you guys some fashion trends you should do, you should wear, you should not wear, and stuff like that. If you want to hear that, now this is the number 3. Like anything you want me to upload, like tell me like videos ideas you want me to upload on this channel. Like honestly, I would be glad if at least one person write something about the videos you want me to talk about on this channel. So guys, at the comment section, just go there and talk, and I'll definitely respond to you guys back. Good. So I think that's just it. I'm just so happy and excited to show you guys this look. Like I really like it so well, and I just like it like that. So but if you can if you don't have the time and you want to do, if you have the money, just go ahead and buy this. You don't have to like make your ones yourself, but if you have the time and you feel like honestly just little things I can as well do, just go ahead and make one yourself. So I think that's all for now. I hope you guys are happy to see my face again after a long time, and what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be uploading my videos on Sundays. So today's Sunday, I'm going to be editing this video and uploading it as well, probably like in the midnight or something. But because can I upload it this afternoon? No, but before midnight. That will have to be Sunday to Monday anyways. I'll just try everything I can to be uploading my videos on Sundays, and I hope you guys are excited to see me, and I hope I'm steady with this video upload again, because honestly at times I come and I just drop one, then I go off again like that. But I'll try to just keep the videos rolling. So that's all for that, and the only way you're gonna encourage me is by watching, like, comment, subscribe and stuff like that. So if you're happy to see my face again, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.